morning everyone. So let us start our class. So it is raining very heavily outside. So try to avoid that noise. So till question number 4 we have done in our last class. And since most of you have shown the homework and classwork and no one has said anything about doubts, so let us continue then by question number 5. Okay. Question number 5 is also same. You have to use the prime factorization method only. And same question you have done in exercise 3.1. So by which least number should we multiply the following to make perfect squares? You have to find by what least number you have to multiply these numbers so that it gets what? Perfect square. Whatever number will be single, that number you have to multiply. Already we have done in exercise 5.1. Say 700. Say 700. So solution, just prime factorize 700. 2 3 is 6, 7 2 5 is 10, 0. 2 1 is 2, 3 2 7 is 14, 15 2 5 is 10. Okay. Then sorry, now it is not divisible by 2. Since it is an odd number, so you can try by 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is not divisible by 3. Definitely it is divisible by what? It is divisible by 5, right? Because in the unit digit what is there? 5 is there. So 5 3 is 15, 16, 17, 5 5 is 25, and then again 5 7 is 35. So therefore 700 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 7. 2 is in pair, 5 is in pair, 7 is single. So 7 should be multiplied. So 7 should be multiplied. Number 2. Number 2 you do by yourself. You can, okay? I am doing this one. Number 3. Number 4 also you do by yourself, your homework, okay? Same type of question. Number 3 I am doing 117600. 117600. Even number, then I will start by what? 2. Okay? 0 is there, then it is even number. 2, 5 is 10, 11, 17, 2, 8 is 16, 17, 2, 8 is 16, 0, 0. 2, 2 is 4, 5, 2, 9 is 18, 2, 4 is 8, 0, 0. 2, 1 is 2, 2, 4 is 8, 9, 2, 7 is 14, and 0, 0. 2, 7 is 14, 2, 3 is 6, 7, 2, 5 is 10, and 0. 2, 3 is 6, 7, 2, 3 is 12, 13, 2, 3 is 14, 15, 2, 5 is 10. Now it is not divisible by 2 anymore because it is what? It is an odd number. 5 is there. So yes, you can do by 5 also, but comes serially, okay? Try to come serially. Let us try by 1 3. Let us see. 6, 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yes, it is divisible by 3. So let us try by 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6. 3 2 is 6. 7 and then 3 5 is 15. Let us again try by 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is not divisible by 3, isn't it? 10 is not divisible by 3. 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 is how much? 10. And 10 is not divisible by 3. So okay. Then my next prime number is what? Obviously 5. And 100% this is divisible by what? 5. So 5 2 is 10. 11, 12, 22. 5 4 is 20, 21, 22, 5 5 is 25. Again it is divisible by 5. 5 4 is 20, 45, 5 9 is 45, and then 7 7 is 49. Clearly we can say that our 3 is single. So what should be multiplied? 3 should be multiplied. So therefore 11760 This is equal to 2 into 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are 5 twos. Sorry, there are 5 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 twos are there. Then there is 3, then there is 5, 5, and then 7 and 7. So you see, 2 is in pair. This 2 is in pair. This 2 is what? This 2 is single. Then this 5 is in pair and this 7 is in pair. So what is single? 2 and 3 is single. So what should be multiplied? Already this type of question also we have done in 5.1. You will not write the answer like that. 2 and 3 should be multiplied. No, what should be multiplied? 2, 3, the 6 should be multiplied. So 6 should be multiplied. Understood? Let me once see the answer. Number 5, number 3, 3.4. 3.4, number 5, number 3. Yes, 6 should be multiplied. Understood? So same type question number 2 and question number 4. You try by yourself. Okay. Let us move to question number 6. Again same type of question. It looks like word math, but it is exactly same like this question only. Question number 6. Find the smallest number by which 252 must be multiplied to get a perfect square. Again same question. What must be multiplied? Find the smallest number that should be multiplied. The question pattern is again what? Same. So what you will do? You will do prime factorization method. Number 6. Okay. Start 2 on the 2, 2 to the 4, 5, 12, 2 6 the 12, 2 6 the 12, 2 3 the 6. Then by 3, 3 to the 6, 3 1 the 3, and then 2 7 the 21. So therefore 252 is equal to what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. So what should be multiplied? So 7 should be multiplied. Same till now, whatever you have done, same like that. Okay. So one last part is there. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. Like this one also we have done in exercise 3.1, isn't it? Now we have to find the square root of the new number that will obtain. Means if you multiply by 7, so 7 should be multiplied. Now if you multiply by 7, what will be the square root of that new number? Understood? Now you have to find the square root of that number after multiplying 7. We have written over here that 7 should be multiplied. Okay. If you multiply 7, then what will be the square root? Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtain. So now continue in this way. Now what should be multiplied? 7 should be multiplied, isn't it? So now 252 into what? Into 7. Because why? Because we have written 7 should be multiplied. So into 7, we give root over. Isn't it? We have written 7 should be multiplied. So multiply 7. Now what? Now you write this one. What was 252? 252 how much? 252 was 22337. 2233 and 7. Now extra what we have multiplied? We have multiplied 7. Focus carefully. 252 was how much? 252 was 22337. 252 is 22337. Now we have multiplied 7 because we have written over here we should multiply 7. So I have multiplied one more 7 over here. Understood or not? One more 7 I have multiplied over here. So now you see 2, 3 and 7. From this one pair, this 2 will come. From this pair, this 3 will come. And from this pair, this 7 will come. 3 to the 6, 7 6 is 42. So your answer is what? Your answer is 42. Okay. Very simple question. You see this question. 7 and square root is how much? 42. Understood? So question number 7, you see, you try by yourself. Question number 7, find the smallest number by which 396 must be multiplied so that the product becomes a perfect square. Means you have to do only this much only. In question number 7, this part is not asked, okay? See, in question number 7, they have not written also find the square root like that, okay? Means in question number 7, you have to do only this much. What should be multiplied? More easy. So 7 is your homework, okay? Question number 8 is a very important question for your exam. These questions are also very important. They can also come. But question number 8 is very important question. See what it is saying. Find the least number that is a perfect square and divisible by each number 8, 9 and 10. Slightly different. Till now, like that question you have not done. Okay. What they have said, some words are there, you keep in mind. You see the words. Find the least number. First one is what? Least. Find the least number. This is the first word. When you read word maths, there are some word in that question that you have to pay your attention. This is that word. Find the least number. That is a perfect square also. That least number will be a what? Will be a perfect square also. Understood? That least number will be a perfect square also. And divisible by. And what? And divisible by what? 8, 9 and 10. These are the important part of the question in which you have to pay your what? Attention, okay? Now you see, what does this least number mean? What is the meaning of this least number, least number, least number? For a while you forget about this thing, this part. For a while, just for a while, you forget about this one. Okay, just you forget. No need to think about perfect square. Just you say me, what does least number mean and divisible by means? What is the meaning of least number and divisible by? Now you see, if I ask you a question, what is the least number? Listen carefully. What is the least number that is divisible by 7 also and 5 also? What is the least number that is divisible by 7 also and 5 also? What is the least number that is divisible by 2 also and 6 also? What is the least number that is divisible by 2, 6 and what? Say 3. See, I have given you three questions, okay, extra questions. What is the least number that is divisible by 2 and 6? What is the least number that is divisible by 7 and 5? What is the least number that is divisible by 2, 6 and 3? What is the least number that is divisible by 2 also and 6 also? Obviously, you will say the number is what? 6. Because 2, 3 is 6 and 6, 1 is 6. What is the least number that is divisible by 7 and 5? Means by 7 also and by 5 also. Then you will say this is what? 35. Understood? So what are these numbers? What are these numbers? What are these least numbers? So least number means what? Least number means nothing but our what? LCM. Least common multiple. Understood what is the least number means? Whenever you will see such type of question where least number it is mentioned, meaning what? Meaning is you have to find the LCM. Understood? So what is the least number which is divisible by 7 and 5? Means you have to find the LCM of 7 and 5, which is 35. 7 5 is 35, 5 7 is 35. Understood? What is the least number which is divisible by 2 also, 6 also and 3? So what is the least number? This is what is the least number? Obviously 12. Obviously 6. What is the LCM? What is the LCM of 2, 6 and 3? Obviously 6, isn't it? So what is the least number over here? 6. Understood? Or if I give over here say 4, say 4. So what is the least number? Obviously 12 this time, isn't it? So what is the LCM? This time the LCM is what? This time the LCM is 12 because 2 6 are 12, 4 3 are 12 and 3 4 are 12. Understood? So least number meaning here, least number meaning is LCM. Means you have to find the LCM of 8, 9 and 10. 8 will also be divisible by that number, 9 will also be divisible by that number, 10 will also be divisible by that number. Understood or not? Okay. Now this part left, not you know, this part is still left. This part so we have understood. Means what? Least number divisible by, we need to find the LCM. But what about this number? Okay. So you see this one only, the 2, 4 and 3. So what is the least number which is divisible by 2, 4 and 3? Say for example over here what is there? 2, 4 and 3. So you have find the LCM of 2, 4 and 3 is how much? This is equal to 12. Done? You have got the LCM. But in the question it is not said find the least number. You read the question. The question is not like that. That find the least number which is divisible by 2, 4 and 3. In the question one more word is there. That word is what? Perfect square. Find the least number which is a perfect square and it is divisible by 2, 4 and 3. So you see, okay, 12 is the least number. But is it a perfect square? Is this 12 a perfect square? Your answer will be no, it is not a perfect square. This 12 is the least number which is divisible by 2, 4 and 3. But this 12 is not the least number which is a perfect square and divisible by 2, 4 and 3. So what is your next job you have to do? You have to make this 12 a perfect square. Now how to make this 12 a perfect square? Very simple. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. So 12 is equal to how much? 2 into 3. Now clearly, you see clearly this 3 is single. So 12 cannot be a perfect square. So what should we multiply to make it a perfect square? We have to multiply one what? We have to multiply a 3. Means how much we have to multiply? We have to multiply a 3. So 36 is the least number which is a perfect square and divisible by 2, 4 and 3. So this is the complete question. At first you have to find the LCM. After finding the LCM, you have to make it what? You have to make it a perfect square. Understood? Now you see 2, 4 and 3. 36 is the least number which is a perfect square and divisible by 2, 4 and 3. You see 2 12 ja 36. 4 9 ja 36. Sorry, not 2 12 ja 36. How much? 2 18 ja 36. 4 9 ja 36 and 3 how much? 3 12 ja 36. So 36 2 is also divisible, 4 is also divisible, 3 is also divisible. It is perfect square also. It is perfect square or not? 36 is what? 6 6 ja 36. Understood? So this is the question. At first you need to find the least number. Then this least number you have to make what? You have to make a perfect square. So now let us come to the question. Very important question. Okay, very important question. So at first find the least number. Okay, so we have to find the LCM of what? 8, 9 and 10. At first we will find the LCM of 8, 9 and 10. You can keep it till there and wait. Okay, it is already done. 8, 9 and 10. Now, so no need to do it anymore, isn't it? That much only is sufficient. That much only is sufficient. 2 4 ja 8, 9, 2 5 ja 10. Now all are single, isn't it? 4 it is single, 9 it is single, 5 it is single. So what is the LCM? Therefore, LCM is equal to how much? 2 into 4 into 9 into 5. So 9 4 ja is how much? 36, and 36 10 ja is how much? 360. So 360 is the least number which is divisible by 8, 9 and 10. But it is not a perfect square. 360 is never a perfect square. Why? Because in the end there is only one zero, odd number of zeros. So this is not a perfect square. We have to make this one a perfect square. Understood? So now let us do the last part. Okay, the last part is what? We have to make this a perfect square. So now, where I will write? Place will not be there. Okay, somehow I will write this. Now you make this one a perfect square. By say 2. 2 1 ja 2, 180, 2 9 ja 18, 0, 2 4 ja 8, 9 5 ja 10, then 3, how much? 3 1 ja 3, 4 3 5 ja 15, and then 3 5 ja 15. Is it coming in the camera or not? Okay, it has came in the camera, then 3 5 ja 15. So we can say, therefore 360 is equal to how much? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So this 2 is in pair, this 3 is in pair. So what is single over here? What is single over here? 2 and 5, isn't it? 2 and 5 is single. So what should we multiply? What should we multiply? 10, isn't it? 10. 10 we have to multiply because 2 is also single, 5 is also single. So now you will write the answer statement. Now you will write the answer statement. Therefore we have written, so not therefore, said hence the least number from the question you write, from the question, okay, that is a perfect square. That is a perfect square and divisible by each number 8, 9 and 10 is what? Is 360 into how much? What should we multiply? We have to multiply what? 10, isn't it? So the least number that is a perfect square and divisible by each number 8, 9 and 10 is 360 into 10, that is 3600. So the answer is what? 3600 means 3600 is the least number which is divisible by 8, 9 and 10 also, and it is also a perfect square. Understood? Question number, how much this was? 8. Oh yes, it is 3600. Understood? Very simple question. In like this question, you will first find the LCM and then you will make it a what? You will make this one a perfect square. Okay? Done. Okay, next question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9 is what? The area of a square field is given 534,361 square meter. Find the length of its side. Very simple question. What is the area of a square at first? What is the area of a square? Area of a square is side into side, or you can say side into side is what? Side into side. Area of a square, area is what? Side into what? Side. Or you can write what? Side into side will be how much? Side square. Like x into x is how much? X square. So side into side will be how much? Side square. So this is the formula for the what? Area of a square. We need to find what? We need to find the length of its sides. So okay, question number 9. Question number 9. Solution. The area of given, you write given the area of a square field is given the area of a square field is how much? Five, three, four, 3, 6, 1. 5, 3, 4, 3, 6, 1. Okay, square meter. Okay, 5, 3, 4, 3, 6, 1. We need to find what? Find the length of its sides. So let the length of its no need to write this, and let the length of its side be x. No need to consider x. Keep it as side only. Okay, keep it as side only. So now according to the question you write area of a square is equal to how much? Side into what? Side. Now area of a square is how much? Now area of a square is side into side. We know the formula, which implies what is the area of a square? The area of a square field is how much? 5, 3, 4, 3, 6, 1. What is the area of a square? 5, 3, 4, 3, 6, 1. 5, 3, 4, 3, 6, 1. This will be equal to what? What is side into side? Side into side is side square. Keep in mind, okay? Like x into x is what? X square. Like there will be side into side will be what? Side square. Done. Now you always remember, like plus, if it goes from left side to right side, plus becomes what? Minus. Minus becomes plus. Into becomes divide. Divide becomes into. In class 7 in linear equation, we have done, isn't it? Remember, once this square will come from this side to this side, this square will become what? Square root. Understood? This square will become what? Square root. And similarly, square root will become what? Square. Plus like minus, like there only square will become what? Square root. I need to find side. I need to find what? Side. So I will bring this square this side. This will become what? Square root. So now what you have to find? You have to find the square root of 5, 3, 4, 3, 6, 1. This is your job, okay? So you write after this line, what you will write? After this line, now you will find what? Now you will find the square root. You know how to find the square root, okay? So find the square root. You see what is by what number this is divisible. So you check. This is an odd number, so it is never divisible by 2. So you check by 3. You check. 3 plus 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 15. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. This is not divisible by 3 also. You see, 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and then 22. You see if it is correct or not. 5, 10, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22. It is not divisible by 3. Next by what? 5. Last digit is what? Last digit is 1. So it is not divisible by what? 5 also. Then you check by 7. 7 7 is 49. 50, 51, 52, 53, 44. 7 6 is 42. 43, 44. 23. 7 3 is 21. 22, 23, 26. 7 is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 51. I think so this is not divisible by 7 also. Again let me check. 7 8 is 50, 7 7 is 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Then 50, 51, 52, 53, 4, 44, 7 6 is 42, 43, 44, 23, 7 3 is 21, 22, 23, 26, 7 3 is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 51. It is not divisible by 7 also. So the next prime number is what? Next prime number is 11. So we will check by what? 11. Now since 11 is a long, is a huge number, so you divide, okay? Then mistake will not happen. You divide it. This part you will do as your homework, okay? Just I am showing. You will find by 11. 11, say 11 4 ja 44. 44 is how much? 9, isn't it? 9. Then next is what? Next 4 will come down. So how much? 94. 11 8 ja 88. 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. 6, isn't it? 6. Then what will come down? 3, 63, 11, 5 is how much? 55. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is 8. Then 86. So 11, 7 is how much? 77. 11, 8 is 88, 77. 7, 8. And these are much? 9. This is again 9. So 91. So this is not divisible by 11 also. Try by 13 then. Keep on trying, okay? There is no more way. You have to keep on trying only. Let me see if I have written the question wrong. 5, 3, 4, 3, 6, 1. 5, 3, 4, 3, 6, 1. Okay. Keep on trying by 13. 13 1 is 13, 13 2 is 26, 13 is 39, 13 4 is 52, 13 4 is how much? 52. Then 2 is how much? 1, 14, 13 1 is 13, 14 1, 13. Okay, 13 1 is 13. This is not divisible by 13 also. So you keep on trying. Next prime number is what? Next prime number is 17. So you will try by what? Now you will try by 17. If it is not divisible by 17 also, if it is not divisible by 17 also, then you will try by 19. If not 19, then by what? Then by what is the next prime number after 19? 23. You will try by 23. Then you will try by what? Next prime number 29. So keep on trying. 13 you see, I have not done completely. If not 13, then go to 17. If not 17, go to 19. If not 19, go to 23. Next prime number and so on. Next prime number you go. You will definitely get one number by which this number will be divisible. Yes, it is a difficult number. Okay, we are not getting the answer so easily. Till now, how many questions we have done? We have got the answer very easily. Okay, either it was 11, 13, not more than that. But see, till 13 we have not got the answer. So luckily we can get the answer by 17, I think so. Or maybe 19, or maybe 23. Hopefully you try. If you cannot do, then I will do in the next class. Okay. So that's all for today's class. I will stop here. If you cannot do, I will solve in the next class. Okay, don't worry. But you keep on trying by prime numbers. Divide, divide and divide. So that's all for today's class. Do the homework properly. Try this one. If you can't, no problem. I will do. But you try the other questions homework from question number 5. Homework you do. Question number 7. Homework you do. Okay. And if you can, try this one. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you.